Angelina Putra Suni, and I'm from the Communication Science program. The most important thing I learned today is how to express ideas clearly using proper vocabulary and sentence structure. This lesson is very useful for my daily life and studies because it helped me communicate more confidently in English, both in speaking and writing. However, I still find it difficult to choose the right words and organize my sentence correctly when talking or writing about the topic. For the next lesson, I will try to improve. I will try to improve. I will try to improve my vocabulary and practice more so I can speak and write more fluently and confidently. Thank you everyone.